morning. I'm going to identify the different parts of a wet and dry vacuum machine. So let's start with the top cover, the handle, the on and off switch, and then this is the power cord, the suction port, the exhaust port, the body of the vacuum machine, and then if we want to check inside the vacuum, we should push this lock. Then this is the main motor, the dust filter, and then this is the flexible hose, the tube or one, and the three types of nozzle, the floor brush nozzle, the crevice nozzle, and then the dusting brush nozzle. That's all po. Thank you.
Morning, I am Daryl Briggs Cruz. For today, we're going to identify the parts of the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. At the top cover, we have here the handle, the power switch, the power cord, the exhaust port, and unlock it to access the main motor. And here we have the dust filter and the body, and also the suction port. We have here the flexible hose, the tube or wand, and the varieties of nozzle. We have here the crevice tool, the dusting brush, and the hard floor brush. That's all.
Good day everyone, my name is Jacqueline De La Cruz from Housekeeping NC2. Now I'm gonna introduce the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. The wet and dry vacuum cleaner is a mechanical equipment that remove dust and also remove the water from the surface. Now we have the outside of the vacuum. We have a handle, the top cover, the on and off switch button, the lock. The inside of the vacuum, we have the main motor and the dusting filter. The outside of the vacuum, we have exhaust, the suction port. The suction port, we have a flexible hose, extension wand, the cord, and we have the three types of tools. We have crevice tools, dusting brush or furniture brush, and the last we have hard floor brush. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Ian Christopher E. Felipe, and today we're going to identify the parts of this wet and dry vacuum machine. From the top is handle, on and off switch, easy lock, and the main motor, dusting filter. From this back is exhaust, power cord, tube, and these three different types of nozzle: crevice nozzle, dusting filter, dusting brush nozzle, hard floor brush nozzle, flexible hose, and suction port. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Daniela Punong Bayan, and now I'm going to identify the parts of wet and dry vacuum cleaner. At the top cover, we have the handle, the power button, we have the lock and power cord, we have the body, filter and main motor. We have the suction port. At the back, we have the exhaust port. We have the flexible hose, a wand, and these 3 types of nozzle. This is hard floor brush, dusting brush, and crevice tool. That's all. Thank you.